Best sewing machines. Everyone can benefit from owning a sewing machine and knowing how to sew. It allows you to easily hem new pants, fix small holes or tears, and even design your dream wardrobe all without visiting the tailor. I tested 5 sewing machines to find the top performing styles for both beginners and advanced sewers. We have included links in the description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. In this video we will look at 5 of the sewing machines in the market. Number 1. Brother XR 9550 Sewing and Quilting Machine. What we love, after testing numerous sewing machines, I consistently find myself reaching for this Brother model for almost all of my at-home sewing projects. It strikes a perfect balance between simplicity and functionality, making it ideal for beginners while still offering features that more experienced users will appreciate. The machine comes equipped with a clear LCD screen that makes stitch selection effortless, along with a needle up/down function and adjustable speed control, giving you precise handling for any project. One standout feature is its wide extension table, which provides ample support for larger quilting pieces, home decor projects, or any fabric that requires extra workspace. Priced under $250, this machine delivers remarkable value for its capabilities. In practical use, it handled a variety of fabrics effortlessly, from lightweight cotton to heavier materials like denim and upholstery fabric, demonstrating its versatility. The automatic needle threader is intuitive and saves time, making setup quick and frustration-free. Additionally, the included instruction manual is straightforward, with clear, step-by-step directions that make learning easy, even for newcomers. While the machine includes a selection of decorative stitches, they are relatively small and limited since it does not have full embroidery functions. However, this does not detract from its performance for everyday sewing, quilting, or craft projects. Overall, this Brother sewing machine combines ease of use, versatility, and affordability, making it an excellent choice for hobbyists, beginners, or anyone looking for a reliable machine that can handle a wide range of sewing tasks with confidence and precision. Number 2. Janome 001 Lovely Easy-to-Use Sewing Machine. What we love, when shopping for a budget-friendly sewing machine, it can be tempting to pick the cheapest option, but very low-cost machines often struggle to handle multiple projects and wear out quickly. Janome is a brand known for producing high-quality sewing machines, and this simple, entry-level model starts at just $130 while still being built to last for years. One of its standout features is the solid metal internal frame, which provides durability and stability, allowing it to handle a wide range of fabrics. Many machines in this price range rely on plastic components inside, which can compromise their longevity, but this Janome model avoids that pitfall. Although we haven't yet tested this particular budget-friendly version, we have extensive experience with other Janome machines, which consistently perform reliably. This machine is very beginner-friendly, with straightforward controls that make learning easy. It uses a front-loading bobbin, which is a traditional design that some new sewers may find slightly tricky at first, but it's a reliable system once mastered. The machine also features a removable free arm attachment, which makes sewing cuffs, sleeves, and small projects easier, and it provides a respectable amount of throat space for a compact machine, giving you room to work on slightly larger items. Another fun perk is that this Janome model comes in a variety of bright and cheerful colors, which adds a playful touch and makes it an ideal gift for hobbyists or beginners. Overall, this machine combines durability, simplicity, and affordability, offering an excellent option for those looking to start sewing without breaking the bank. Number 3. Brother CS7000X Computerized Sewing and Quilting Machine. What we love, for beginners, choosing a sewing machine that is simple to use yet versatile enough to handle larger projects is essential, and the Brother CS7000X fits this description perfectly. This machine has earned praise from both novices and more experienced sewers for its ease of use and thoughtful design. Changing presser feet is straightforward, and threading the machine is made simple thanks to its intuitive drop-in bobbin system. The adjustable sewing speed is a particularly helpful feature for beginners, allowing users to sew at a controlled pace and avoid mistakes. Even at its fastest, the machine maintains a manageable speed, giving beginners confidence as they build their skills. In testing, the Brothers CS7000X performed well across a variety of fabrics, handling cotton, denim, and lightweight materials with minimal errors. Polyester satin posed a slight challenge, but overall the machine offers excellent performance for most home sewing projects. It includes 70 different stitch patterns, including a mix of utility and decorative stitches, along with 7 different buttonhole styles. With 10 presser feet included, users have everything needed to tackle a wide range of projects, from basic repairs to more creative endeavors. Some testers noted that the thread holder initially appears short, but it is fully adjustable, ensuring smooth operation. While it shares many features with higher-end models, the CS7000X is slightly simpler, making it especially well-suited for sewing novices who want a reliable, easy-to-use machine that can grow with their skills. Its combination of simplicity, versatility, and quality makes it an excellent choice for anyone starting their sewing journey. Number 4. Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 Computerized Sewing Machine. What we love, this Singer sewing and quilting machine is designed with versatility and user-friendliness in mind, making it ideal for both beginners and more experienced sewers. One standout feature is its manual speed controls, which are perfect for users who struggle to maintain consistent pressure when using a traditional foot pedal. For those who prefer not to use a pedal at all, the convenient start-stop function allows you to sew with just the push of a button. With over 600 built-in stitch applications, including both basic and decorative options, this machine automatically adjusts tension for each new stitch, ensuring smooth, even results every time. During testing of a similar Singer model, the automatic buttonhole function proved effortless, saving time and improving precision. The needle up/down button makes it easy to pivot fabric at the corners of quilting squares, which is particularly helpful for quilting projects. The machine also offers 13 pre-programmed style options, which can be selected quickly and easily via the intuitive LCD screen. Changing the presser foot is simple thanks to the quick snap design, and the automatic needle threader is both accurate and easy to use. Additionally, this machine includes a large extension table, providing ample space for larger quilting and sewing projects. Bright built-in LED lights illuminate your workspace, helping you sew with clarity and precision. Some online reviewers have mentioned that repairs can be challenging, but overall, this machine delivers an impressive combination of convenience, functionality, and versatility. Its thoughtful features make it a strong choice for anyone looking to tackle a wide range of sewing and quilting projects with confidence. Number 5. Bernette B79 Computerized Sewing and Embroidery Machine. What we love, for those looking to invest in a premium sewing machine, the Bernette B79 is a top-tier option that combines luxury, durability, and versatility for expert sewers. Bernette has long been known for producing high-quality machines, and the B79 lives up to that reputation by offering a comprehensive set of features for standard sewing, quilting, and embroidery projects. Designed to withstand frequent use, it is perfect for anyone who sews regularly or wants a machine that will grow with their skills. One of the standout features is the 5-inch touchscreen, which allows you to draw your own custom stitches using the included stylus. The machine comes equipped with a massive library of 500 stitches and 17 different buttonhole options. You can even create personalized stitch combinations, as the B79 remembers your exact stitch preferences for specific fabrics in both short and long-term memory. Additional convenient features include automatic thread cutting and a thread tie-off function, eliminating the need for backstitching and making finishing your projects faster and more precise. In practical testing, the Bernette B79 handled a wide range of fabrics with ease, from delicate silk chiffon and smooth polyester satin to heavier materials like wool. While this machine is certainly an investment, it is one of the more affordable options in Bernette's luxury lineup, providing excellent value for the features it offers. For sewers seeking precision, flexibility, and a machine capable of supporting creative and advanced projects, the B79 is an outstanding choice that delivers both performance and inspiration.